basically what an MUN is, it's a stimulation of few committees. Whenever we go to a debate competition, there are various type of committees that you sit in. For example, there is a preliminary round, then there is finals. Before finals, there is semi-finals as well. So in the same case, as there are few rounds that take place in MUN, there are few committees that take place. So the basic three things that we have to take into consideration is the committee, the agenda, and the portfolio. Okay, now committee is something in which you will be sitting into debate. For example, your committee is United Nations General Assembly. That is the place where you will be sitting in. That is the thing that all the people will be debating out there. Okay, second important thing is portfolio. Portfolio is, or it's the name of the country that you will be given in. Okay, by which you have to sit in the committee and debate on the agenda. Agenda is the topic of the committee. So basically, you can be say, like if you're sitting in United Nations General Assembly and your agenda is tourism, terrorists and wars, okay, force wars or normal wars as well. So that would be your agenda, that would be topic that you need to discuss. And the third part, the most important thing, is the country that you will be taking in. Participating for the HPS and FairGaze MUN. See, this is a basic necessity that you have to look forward in the college days and even the school, high school or the secondary school as well, because firstly it focuses upon the confidence building that you all guys should have in the prior stages of your life. Secondly, you need to have that motivation skills that you could represent yourself on the top of a stage where there is thousands of audience present here whom you never have met before or seen before. Okay, so you have to be confident in a way that you can present yourself anywhere and with anyhow you're standing with. So that is the basic necessity why an MUN is required, and that has been taken an initiative by FairGaze and HPS. Okay, so if you talk about more about, if I say about the advantages, there are prizes as well. There are recognitions, like you can get letter of recommendation, you can get letter of appreciation. Okay, you will be getting digital certificates. That would of course be again a very good thing for you, because that will be having the principal signatures and the FairGaze companies. Okay, so that would be thing. Secondly, that this is an international and national MUN, so you will be able to meet the international people whom you of course could not meet in the COVID times. Okay, so seeing here, there I as such, if I am here from like 3-4 years I'm into MUN, so I have never seen any disadvantage except traveling from one place to another. Like if we have the offline MUNs, so we used to travel, that is the only disadvantage. But the only advantage, but the whole MUN is full of advantages. So this is the main thing that you have to look forward with. Okay, yeah, so with this we come on to this page. Firstly is FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. Now strengthening food security and sustainable agriculture development will be your topic or the agenda, and the committee will be FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. Okay, and the country will be your portfolio that you will be representing by this committee. I hope I'm clear out this. Any doubts?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
See, Food and Agriculture Organization is the committee wherein a lot of people will be joining in, who will be having this topic, strengthening food security and sustainable agriculture development, as your agenda of the committee. Agenda means the main focus of the committee. Okay, for example, you have different themes in your phones and you make sure that your phone looks great. So in the same way, we put out agendas so that we have to discuss only one priority, not different things in one committee. Okay, and then the last thing is the portfolio. Portfolio is the countries. Okay, that is the countries that you will be representing in, and the way you will be representing the countries has a lot of difference. I'll be telling you in the brief that how these system work actually. So what happens is you have to prepare for a GSL. GSL is an opening statement. Okay, every country, every delegate, you all are delegates. Okay, you have to prepare for a GSL which will compromise about your country. Okay, few lines about your country. Second, your stance of your country. What is the stance of your country on the agenda? Third, what are the implementations or the recommendations that you would like to give forward to the other people? Okay, so how to prepare or how to write a position paper. Now preparing, I told you about the GSL and everything. Only you have to make sure that you are preparing everything that relates to your country, because one slight change can get you into downtrodden in failure of your country. So make sure you are doing something that has the country, your country's name, your country's position, your country's way of styling, your country's everything. That's just your country. Okay.